Hi everyone, my name is Matthew and today I'll be introducing to you guys the ASUS Premium Care. ASUS Premium Care is perfect for everyone that purchases our ASUS notebooks so you can have a peace of mind when it comes to repairs and replacements. Now, before we continue, ASUS offers a comprehensive warranty package for all of their notebooks and gaming notebooks. Each laptop comes with 2 years of global warranty and a first year of perfect warranty, which covers 80% of the key part costs from accidental damage such as electrical surge, water spill, and even screen crack. Now, for the ASUS Premium Care, it comes with 3 packages. The ASUS Premium Care for notebooks, studio books, and gaming notebooks. And all of them comes with 3 types of upgrades as well, which is the Perfect Warranty Plus, Extended Warranty, and On-Site Service as well. With the Perfect Warranty Plus, you get an extra 1 year of coverage, which is 2 years in total, and you don't have to pay for a single cent when it comes to claiming for local accidental damage protection, which includes from electrical surge, water spill, and also screen crack. The Extended Warranty adds 1 additional year to the current warranty period with a maximum of 3 years in total, while still retaining the first year Perfect Warranty that comes with it originally. And lastly, the on-site service package offers a 3 years of local on-site service with an additional of 1 year of global warranty as well, which is great if users are located far away from our nearest service center. So those are the 3 upgrades that's available in our ASUS Premium Care. And my name is Matthew, and I'll see you guys in the next one.